Hi, my name is Roslyn. I'm the Coordinator of Student Leadership here at the University of South Australia. Here at the University of South Australia, we believe in giving our students every opportunity to graduate as well-rounded, globally competitive individuals. Part of that commitment is through the Aspire Award program. The Aspire Award program offers our students a range of different self-development and leadership workshops that they can attend while they're studying. All students at the University of South Australia are able to participate in the Aspire Award program, whether you are attending on campus, whether you're an external student, or whether you are studying online. We offer a range of different modalities for our workshops. So we deliver some workshops face-to-face, some in intensive full-day workshops, and others online. So we believe that all of our students have the opportunity to find a way to participate in and complete the Aspire Award program. Now, it's really simple to participate. All you need to do is register through Career Hub and then start booking into and attending workshops. We deliberately curate our workshops in consultation with employers to ensure that we are providing you with the information that you need to put yourself ahead of other candidates. We offer workshops like exploring your values and your strengths, building your emotional intelligence, exploring conscious leadership, and how to resolve conflict effectively. If you attend 10 of our self-development and leadership workshops, you will be eligible to achieve the Aspire Award program. Those of you who are a little bit more ambitious and would like to challenge yourselves a little bit more, you attend 15 workshops, come to a coaching session with me, complete a goal-setting workbook, and then attend a reflection and employability workshop at the end of your Aspire Award program. During that workshop, we talk to you about how to sell your Aspire experience so that you can demonstrate to employers how you're going to add value to their organisations. Once you've completed the Aspire Award, whether you're doing the standard or the platinum program, we invite you to attend a celebration at the end of the year where we present you with a certificate signed by the Vice-Chancellor, along with an activity statement to remind you of all of the workshops you have attended. Now, those of you who are also completing the UniSA Plus Award, you'll be very pleased to know that the Aspire Award program contributes towards your UniSA Plus Award. Whether you're doing the Aspire Standard program or the Aspire Platinum program, we can help you to use that as a contribution towards your leadership and enterprise pillars, as well as the career and self-development pillars. So I'd strongly encourage you to consider completing the Aspire Award program. So hop online to unisa.edu.au/leadership programs to find out more about the Aspire Award program and how you can register and participate. And I look forward to welcoming you to one of our workshops in the very near future.